Hi students. For this assignment, you will be making a poster of your deep hope. Here's how we're going to go about doing it. In the classwork tab of your Google Classroom, you'll see your assignment. You can click the link that will take you to Canva. It'll take you to a screen that looks like this. A template created by your teacher was shared with you. Start designing now. We click Use Template. This is what the screen looks like. If you get prompted to take this tutorial, you can click the X. Once you're here, make sure you have your Deep Hope in front of you so you're ready to type. If you need to get it out, pause the video now and get ready. A template is something that looks like it's finished, but you can still change it to make it your own. That's how we're going to make our Deep Hope, on a template. Let me show you a few tools you'll be using for this assignment. First of all, you need to know that you can zoom in. Right down here is a button that you can click and hold and slide, and it'll make it bigger. That makes it a lot easier to click on all the different elements on the template. Every item here is something that can be made bigger or smaller or moved. I recommend leaving almost everything in place on the template and only changing the words. Here's how you do that. You click in the text box. I triple clicked to highlight all of it because I don't like to use my trackpad sometimes, and triple clicking highlights all the words for you. We would type, "My deep hope is," and you'll finish that sentence. As you type your deep hope, you might discover that it's a lot longer than the poster. You'll just have to change the size. So again, you can triple click, or you can use your keyboard and click Control A. Right up here, you can change the size. You can click the minus button until it fits, or you can just pick a size and type it in. Look at that. Size 100 fits pretty well on my poster. Your teacher will probably want your name on it. So why don't you pause a minute, add your deep hope, and come back here to learn how to add your name. To add your name to your deep hope, you'll go to the left side of your screen and click the text box icon right here. And you just want to add a little bit of body text. So you simply click it. A text box appears on your poster, but it's not in the right place. So we have to come over here and move our mouse until it turns into the four-way arrow. You'll drag this box toward the bottom. You'll put your cursor in it. Do you remember how to select all the text? There are two ways. You can either triple click, or you can hit Control A and put your name. And that's it. That's the simplest way to make a cool looking deep hope. If your teacher says that you can pick different templates, pause the video right now to talk about that, and then when you hit play again, I'll show you how to pick a different template. To pick a different template, you'll simply go back to the left-hand side of your screen toward the top where it says Templates. And here is where you can search all the different poster templates. Pick one that has colors and text that you already like so you don't have to change much. It keeps it pretty easy. I think this one looks cool. It's got fun colors and big words. So I click on it and it automatically added my text, but it doesn't fit. So I have to do some changing. I'm going to click over here and I'm going to Control A to select all my text and change the size to 100. That's what worked last time, and it worked again this time. I'm going to delete the elements I don't need. I simply click on them so that I know they're highlighted and push delete or backspace. I can move my text down a little bit. See those lines that appear? That helps me know that it's lined up, that it's centered, or that it's even with another box. You don't have to worry too much about that, but it's fun to know. Maybe you want to use one of the text boxes to put our school name. Control A. There we go. So, just that easily, I have a new template, a cool new poster with my name, my Deep Hope, and the school's name. Have fun with this.